What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow Prodigy. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Brendan Perez, and hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. So at this point of the video, I would normally talk about what trick we're going to be going over today, but you guys saw the title of this video. We're going to be doing something a little different today. I'm not going to lie, I have been looking forward to doing this video for weeks. I did a part 2 to a series of a Q&A video called Custom Boards. And these were videos where, for those of you who are beginners, who are looking into buying your own either custom board or maybe just buying a board off a website from one of the following companies that I listed, I talked about a company called Aqua Flow Boards. I had also mentioned that I was in the middle of making a brand new Flow Prodigy board with them. I was really going back and forth on the graphic, the pictorial design that I wanted to do on the bottom of the board, because everything else that goes along in building a board, like the shape or the grip, is pretty standard questions, you know what I mean? And the graphic is something that usually means the most to me in a board. It's something that I often look at whenever I'm not writing. And I really wanted to make sure that I came up with something that meant a lot to me. Originally, I'm not gonna lie, I was just gonna copy off of someone else's design, right? And I have my girlfriend to thank for this, but she had told me, Brendan, why don't you just come up with a design of something that means a lot to you? Don't just copy someone else's design and stick your name on it. So what do I do? And that's when I took another few days to really ponder and really think about, okay, what do I really want to put on this board? Because this is going to be the new Prodigy board, and I can't just put out a new board for the channel that has someone else's work on it. That wouldn't make any sense. That's not going to make me look right. And it came to me. Something that I'm really into that not everyone is, and that's okay, is something called anime. Most people, even if you're not into it, most people know what anime is, right? So without further ado, let's take a look at the new Prodigy board so you guys can see what I'm talking about for yourself. All right, we're just going to put the microphone down so we can get this board out. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's actually a AF logo in the middle of the board. Stands for Aqua Flow Boards. Again, they were the ones who really stepped up to the plate and really helped me put this whole board together. I give it a 10 out of 10 out of looks and feels. Full, nothing bad to say about them. In fact, I even recommend them that much more. This board is everything that I really wanted. So without further ado, I give you guys the brand new Flow Prodigy board. Anime is something that really means a lot to me, and if you guys don't know what you're looking at, these are actually some of my favorite anime characters from my favorite show called Naruto. Even if you're not into anime as much as I am, which is perfectly okay, you know, Naruto's a pretty big enough show that most people would still know about it and what it is. Now, one big reason that I decided to put both my real name and my channel name on the board is I had noticed something. What will happen is whenever a company comes and sponsors a new rider, they'll usually come together and put a design together for their brand new own signature model board. I've noticed is once a company comes together with a rider to really put a design together for their own signature model board, I've seen a lot of riders tend to put their own names kind of down the board to kind of really show their identity of them identifying with that board, and you know, it's their board, their signature model, you know what I mean? And I felt like it was a really cool idea to kind of base off of. A lot of riders do it as soon as they get sponsored, and it was really important to me that I represent both my real name, Brendan Perez, and my channel name, Flow Prodigy. Now I gotta tell you guys, I am in no way sponsored right now, okay? But I gotta tell you, if I were to get sponsored in the possible future, this is probably the model that I'd go with. It represents everything that I really care about, things that I've learned, right? And then at the same time, I have two different identities that I get to represent. So at this point of the video, I really want to show you guys how this board looks, how it feels, the way it flicks around on the Flow Rider itself. So without further ado, I will shift you guys over to the edit that I just made, and you guys let me know what you think. All right, guys, one last announcement before I officially switch you over to the edit that I just made introducing the new Prodigy board. I did make a second edit, and I am going to be posting it on just my Instagram and my TikTok, which just so happens to be in the description down below. So do me a favor, go into the description down below, hit me with a follow on each of those if you guys so choose so. Check out that second edit, leave some comments, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you after.
All the barricades, I wanna know why they hold me back. Need a miracle to break me through, but I won't get that. If I was a real wonder, then I could save me from turning around. Lift me off the ground, and one day I'm free. Yeah, I wanna be a real wonder. Heaven lift me up from under. Wishing I could be somehow stronger now, so I can fight away all the pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me. Wishing I could be stronger, so I can be a real wonder.
If you wanna be a wonder, baby, come and show it. Tell me what you feel in your heart and your soul. There's nothing I would take for granted. With me, we'll make it through. Takes two hearts to fix heartbreak. We grew apart, I'm